Welcome back, everybody. I'm Sam Mapes with Sam's Upholstery, and today we're going to take a look at this beautiful 1977 C20 Indianapolis 500. Let's take a deeper look on this build. So up front, you can tell that we have this thing bagged, so it has an awesome stance. The bags are all via air. You have two compressors, so you don't have to listen to that run non-stop. We got custom vision wheels on the front and back. We were kind of limited on what we could really use since it is a 3/4 ton. We had the 8-lug set up on the front and back, so we're kind of limited, but I think these vision wheels turned out freaking amazing on this. As you can tell, we got a custom decal running down the length of it, mimicking that Indianapolis 500 build that they came out with back in '77. Even has the exact size and dimension decal on the doors, both doors. We have all new trim going through the sides, along the back side, new rubber moldings. The bed itself has all been Linexed. It's been tubbed, 4-linked. What else can we say about it? All right, let's take a look underneath the hood here. So powering this bad boy, we have a crate motor 454. Right behind it, we have a turbo 400 transmission, which is also a crate motor. So with this, we have less than 500 miles on the build. So you're getting basically a brand new car. With this, you're getting a little bit over 400 horse. We have the slosh tubs for your wheel fenders inside here, your inner fender wells, I mean, and that allows us to get the truck all the way down to the ground. Brand new aluminum radiator, electric fans, brand new master cylinder, and brake booster setup, and that's to run the all new disc brakes that we have on the front and back. So let's take a look inside the car. All right, on the inside here, you can tell that we have just as many custom touches as we do on the outside. We have custom door panel. It's been painted red, wrapped with the same vinyl that we used on the dash and the seat underneath here. We have houndstooth inserts, so it kind of gives it that vintage feel, but with a little bit of a modern touch. We have Pro Comp gauges with a custom bezel. We wrap the dash in the same red vinyl that we used on the seats. And then we have a red carpet, hook and loop style, with custom floor mats that go with it. The seat, honestly, this is one of the more comfortable seats that we've ever made. It has a nice little dog dish set up down there, so it gives you nice support underneath your leg, and then it has a lumbar support in the back. So this thing's really, really comfortable to drive if you're gonna take it on some long cruises. The airbag setup is on this nice little remote, so it's nice and easy to use if you wanted to adjust the height or bring it all the way down, or say you're loading it on a trailer, you can jack it all the way up so you make sure nothing really scrapes. On the dash, you can see that we have an Indy 500 decal that we had custom 3D printed, and that's to match the original Indy 500 decal that they would have had back in the day. With that being said, let's see how she sounds. wow. This truck runs and drives amazingly, and it should. Everything on it is brand spanking new. But this is going to wrap it up for me in this 1977 C20 Indianapolis 500 pace truck build that we did. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you click like, hit subscribe, and comment down below what you liked most about this truck. That kind of helps me know if I'm heading in the right direction and how to make a little bit better content for you guys. Thanks again. I'm Sam Mapes with Sam's Upholstery, and we'll see you next time.